everyone. Today we will be continuing talking about this, these, that, and those, to talk about things that are near or far from us. With me, Miss Dewi, on Rapid English Learning. Let's start. So remember, this to show one singular object that is near from you. Jadi kalau this ini untuk yang dekat ya objeknya dan hanya satu. These untuk bendanya jamak lebih dari satu dan dekat dengan kita. Don't forget to make the plural s that we have learned before. That is to show something that is far from us and the object is only one. And those is to show something that are far from us and the objects are more than one. Ya, jangan lupa ditambahkan is juga kalau beberapa kata berakhiran dengan hissing sound. When we have the hissing sound at the end of the noun, for example, like in the word bus, bus ends with the letter S. If there are more than one, then we can say buses. 2 buses. Double S, hissing sound also. For example, in the word cross, a cross. More than 1, 2 crosses. Sh, the letter that combines these letters S and H. We read it as sh, hissing sound also. A brush, 2 brushes. Ch, a watch, 2 watches. Kus, the letter X has the sound kus, the hissing sound. For example, in the word fox, a fox, 2 foxes. And the word that ends with z, a quiz, 2 quizzes. And one of the exception sound, which is the O sound, the letter O. For example, in the word volcano, a volcano, 2 volcanoes. Don't forget to add the ES. Now, for the word or the noun that ends with the letter F or FE, untuk kata benda yang berakhiran dengan F atau FE, kita harus menggantinya dengan VES. We change the ending sound with VES. Look at this picture. It's a scarf. A scarf. If we have 2 scarves. Pay attention to the letter F. It's converted into letter V and added ES. Ya, lihat ya, letter F, scarf, itu diganti dengan letter V dan ditambahin ES. Because the word scarf ends with the letter F. Thief, thief pencuri, 2 thieves. Wolf, wolf, serigala, 2 wolves. And husband, wife. A wife, 2 wives. But there are always exceptions in English. So exceptions, pengecualian. Kecuali untuk kata-kata ini, handkerchief, sapu tangan. Handkerchief, walaupun berakhiran dengan letter F, but we don't change the letter F. We just add S at the end of the plural nouns. 2 handkerchiefs. Chef, chef. Koki, 2 chefs. Roof, atap, 2 roofs. Cliff, tebing, 2 cliffs. Ingat pengecualian kata-kata tersebut. Untuk kata benda yang berakhiran dengan letter Y, letter Y, huruf Y, ya, dan sebelumnya muncul huruf konsonan, So for the word or the noun that ends with the letter Y and before the letter Y appears the consonant letter, you have to give IES. Remove the letter Y and change with IES. Nah, yang harus kamu lakukan adalah untuk membentuk kata benda tersebut menjadi bentuk jamak, kamu harus hapus huruf Y-nya dan ganti dengan I tambahkan ES. For example, like in the word baby. Baby ends with the letter Y. Before the letter Y comes consonant. So you have to remove the letter Y, hapus letter Y, and change with I, letter I, and add ES. Strawberry. Strawberry ends with the letter Y, and then before the letter Y comes the consonant letter. Then to make the word in plural form, you have to remove the letter Y, change with I, and add ES. Strawberries. How about if before the letter Y appears the vowel letters? Then you do not need to remove the letter Y. You just need to give S at the end of the word to make the word into plural form. For example, like in the word key. Key ends with the letter Y. But before the letter Y comes the vowel, huruf vokal. Sebelumnya muncul huruf vokal. Jadi tidak usah diganti, hanya perlu ditambahkan S saja. Two keys. Trolley. Trolley. Before the letter Y comes the vowel, letter E. Then you have to add S to trolleys. Now let's practice. Tray. Tray, nampan. So let's look at the ending letter. Lihat huruf terakhirnya. It's the letter Y. Then what comes before it? It's the vowel, letter A. So if it ends with the letter Y and preceded with a vowel, we have to add S only. Trace. Fly. Fly, lalat. Flies with IES because fly ends with the letter Y. Before it comes the consonant letter. So you have to remove the letter Y, change with IES. Ingat ya, hanya untuk konsonan kamu harus kerja lebih keras, yaitu menghapus huruf terakhirnya dan ganti dengan IES. Leave. Leave. What comes at the end of the word? Letter F. Huruf F terakhirnya. Then you have to change with V, E, S. Two leaves. Kalau bendanya ada lebih dari satu. Candy. Candy. Look at the ending letter. What comes before the letter Y? Consonant. So you have to change the letter Y with I and add ES. Becomes two candies. Cherry. Cherry ends with the letter Y. Before it comes the consonant. Remove the letter Y, change with IES. Cherries. Knife. Knife ends with the F and E. So you have to change the letter F becomes V and add ES. Knives. Two knives. Bookshelf. Bookshelf ends with the letter F. Remove the letter F, change with the letter V, and give ES. Two bookshelves. Now, let's practice by combining the demonstrative pronouns this, these, that, and those by looking at these pictures. Ya, lihat ya, ini jaraknya dekat. Dan bendanya lebih dari satu. These are trays with the S only. Because before the letter Y comes the vowel. Karena ada huruf vokal yang muncul sebelum huruf Y terakhirnya ya. Jadi hanya ditambahkan S. Okay. far from you and only one object. Jauh dan hanya satu objeknya. That is eraser. Eraser begins with the vowel. So we have to give an. Eraser mulai dari kata hurufnya adalah huruf vokal. Jadi kita harus menggunakan an, bukan e, ya, untuk singular subject. Jauh dan bendanya lebih dari satu. Those are butterflies. Butterflies ends with the letter Y and before it comes with the consonant. Jadi karena ada huruf konsonan sebelum huruf terakhirnya, maka kita ganti dengan IES. Dekat dan hanya satu bendanya. This is a kitten. Kitten starts with the consonant, so we use a. Watch. Jam tangan. Jam tangannya ada dua dan jaraknya jauh. Those are watches. Watches, two watches. Yeah, with the hissing sound ch, so we give es. Scarf. Dekat dan lebih dari satu. These are scarves. Scarf ends with the letter F, change with VES. Wolf. Only one object far from us, that. That is a wolf. Glass. Two glasses far from you. Jauh. Those are two glasses. Glass ends with the hissing sound, so we have to add with es. Handkerchief, sapu tangan. Jaraknya dekat, objeknya lebih dari satu. These are handkerchiefs. Nah, untuk handkerchief ingat ada masuk ke dalam pengecualian. Jadi tidak perlu mengganti letter F yang terakhirnya, tetapi harus ditambahkan S saja. Karena handkerchief masuk ke dalam kata yang pengecualian. Cross, salib. Crosses, more than one and far from us. Those are crosses. Cross ends with the hissing sound, add with es. Mosquito. Mosquito. Nyamuk. This is a mosquito. Cherries. Cherry ends with the letter Y. Before it comes the consonant. And the objects are far from you. Those are cherries. IES. Okay? Now, I want you to prepare some objects. You may choose among these objects that I show you over here, and then find them around you. And put the objects near or far from you to practice this, that, these, and those. Jumlahnya 2 ya, masing-masing objek. Jadi kamu bisa kombinasi, boleh taruh satu dekat, lalu nanti masukin lagi dekat, taruhnya. Jadi kamu bisa gunakan this and these at the same objects. After you arrange the positions of the objects near or far from you, do 1-minute talk. Use plural and singular form depending on the objects that you are pointing at. I'm going to give you the example. Now I'm going to show you how to do 1-minute talk using the objects around you and using this, that, those, and these. But when I am doing the 1-minute talk, I want you to write the sentences that I'm saying for practicing your writing skill and the spelling skill, especially regarding to the plural nouns that we have learned so far by adding es, ies, or ves. Jadi sekarang saya akan menunjukkan bagaimana menggunakan benda-benda di sekitar kita untuk melatih berbicara this, that, these, and those. Ketika saya mengucapkan kata-kata 1-minute talk, tulislah kalimat yang saya ucapkan supaya kalian berlatih menuliskan bentuk jamak dari benda-benda yang saya tunjuk. Okay, get ready, prepare your pencil and a paper. These are sunglasses. These are sunglasses. Those are many leaves. Those are many leaves. That is an apple. That is an apple. These are keys. These are keys. This is a box. This is a box. Those are knives. Those are knives. Those are tomatoes. Those are tomatoes. These are toothbrushes. These are toothbrushes. Okay, it's your turn to practice the writing and the 1-minute talk. Don't forget to keep on practicing. You may do it every day. By looking around you, find the objects that you can point at. See you for the next lesson.